Hello students, good morning. Today, as you see, I am going to teach you English reader for all the sections of class 9. This is the second chapter, Kabuli Wala by Aryan Tagore. Here you can see on the blackboard word meaning of the chapter for the first paragraph. Say waxed means irritated, tattled, stalked, bare, tolerate, stored, came silently, and started speaking on a full tide with a great ease, darting off, speaking suddenly, involuntarily, unwillingly, grave, serious, contrite, blank, overcome, defeated, fled, ran away. Peddler means seller who moves door to door for selling things. So see, in this chapter, you see how the author tells us about the girl, author's daughter, who is very much eager to see Kabuli Wala. Now you can see here through the chapter. So this is the first paragraph. From here you can see my 5-year-old daughter Minnie cannot live without chattering. I really believe that in all her life she has not wasted a minute in silence. Her mother is often vexed at this and would stop her prattle, but I would not. To see Minnie quiet is unnatural and I cannot bear it long, so my own talk with her is always limited. So see, author tells us about his daughter who always talk to others. She cannot stop, just she cannot live without chat. So here author says that his 5-year-old daughter Minnie always trying to chatter others. He really believed that in all her life she cannot live without talking, without speaking to others. But according to author, her mother doesn't like it. She doesn't want to her daughter talk a lot. So her mother is often vexed at this. Certainly her mother feels annoyed that time and would stop her prattle, and she often try to stop her for talking to anybody else. But according to author, I would not like to stop her because I know the nature of that girl is she is talkative. To see Minnie quiet is unnatural and I cannot bear it long. If she doesn't talk, she doesn't speak, she is quiet, it means that is unnatural. talking or speaking is her natural quality. She always muttering, that was her natural things. So my own talk with her is always new. So according to author, he always wanted to live her talk. One morning, for instance, when I was in the midst of the 17th chapter of my new novel, my little Minnie stole into the room and, putting her hand into mine, said, "Father, Ram Dayal, the doorkeeper, calls a crow a crow. He doesn't know anything, does he?" Author tells us about the incident, what happened there that time. One morning, while he was in his study room and he was just in the middle of the 17th chapter of his new novel, that time she entered into the room silently and put her hand on the shoulder of the author. So she asked her father that the doorkeeper calls a crow. He doesn't know anything. Once again she asked, does he know anything about the crow? Before I could explain to her the differences of language in this world, she was embarked on the full tide of another subject. What do you think, Father? Bhola says that there is an elephant in the clouds blowing water out of trunk, and that is why it rains. So before author about to start here, meanwhile once again Minnie says to her father that she could not explain the difference of language in this world. She embarked on the full tide of another subject. She embarked here. What do you think, Father? She asked, Father, what do you think about it? Bhola says that there is an elephant in the clouds. So she pointed toward the cloud and asked her father. Bhola says that there is an elephant in the cloud, and when it always blowing the water from its trunk, certainly it rains, the cloud begins raining. And then darting off anew, while I sat still making ready some reply to his last saying, Father, what relation is mother to you? So see how very much eager to know all about these things author says here. देखिए लेखक आर्यन टैगोर यहाँ अपनी बेटी के बारे में कहते हैं कि मेरी एक 5 वर्षीय पुत्री मिनी हमेशा बड़बड़ाती रहती थी, हमेशा कुछ बोलती रहती थी। वह हमेशा चैटरिंग करती थी, पटर हमेशा बोला करती थी, और मैं उसके इस वास्तविक रूप से ही सदैव प्रसन्न रहता था, क्योंकि मैं जानता था यह उसका एक नेचुरल क्वालिटी है, प्रकृति प्रदत्त गुण है। किंतु उसकी माँ प्रायः इसे लेकर के अत्यंत परेशान रहती थी। वह उसे बार बार वार्निंग भी कर देती थी, चेतावनी भी दिया करती थी कि इतना अधिक बातें न किया करें, लेकिन मैं उसे कभी रोकता नहीं था, क्योंकि मैं जानता था कि वह यदि प्रसन्न चित्त रहेगी और लगातार बातें करती रहेगी, तभी वह अपनी नेचुरल क्वालिटी को एडॉप्ट कर। जैसे लेखक ने एक एग्जाम्पल यहाँ दिया कि एक दिन सुबह के समय एक छोटी सी घटना का उन्होंने जिक्र किया कि सुबह के समय जब लेखक अपने कमरे में उपन्यास लिख रहे थे, नॉवेल लिख रहे थे, और नॉवेल के बीच में ही वह मिनी यानी लेखक की बेटी चुपचाप धीरे से कमरे में प्रवेश की और लेखक के कंधे पर हाथ रखते हुए मिनी ने पूछा, मिनी ने कहा कि फादर रामदयाल वो जो दरवाजे पर रखवाली करता है वह क्रो क्रो करता है। वह कहता है कि वो देखो क्रो कुछ जानता नहीं कि वह क्या है, क्या उसके बारे में उसे कुछ पता